Hello everyone, my name is Bach and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will do a IELTS Writing Task 1. Are you ready? Here we go. Our topic today is about man-made process. The diagram illustrates how recycled paper is made. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. This is the process. It's about recycled paper. On yesterday, I did a test about this topic, and here is my assignment. Now, I will read it for you. I think you can reference my assignment. The diagram above illustrates the process of producing recycled paper from collecting and recycling used paper. Overall, there are approximately 4 main phases in the production line of recycling paper, beginning with the reception of waste paper and concluding with the recycled paper product is completed. Initially, once consigned to the manufacturing, the collected waste paper will enter the pulping stage on a conveyor belt. After that, the waste paper is submerged in a liquid, which is the combinations of water and chemicals to be converted into pulp. Subsequently, it is added to ink and other impurities. At the following stage of the process, the ink is removed by taking the filter pulp into another crate filled with water and soap, and then pumping the air in. Having been cleaned, it is mixed again with water and moved to the heated rollers to thoroughly expel all the water. Alright, and my assignment got bang 6. Yesterday, I sent this assignment to my English teacher too, and she sends me again this sample test of this topic here. Now I will read it, right? Okay. The diagram illustrates the process of producing recycled paper from collecting and recycling used paper. The process begins with the collection of waste paper, which is then transported to a recycling plant. There, the paper is sorted and inspected to remove any contaminants, such as plastic or metal. The clean paper is then pulped, a process where the paper is broken down into fibers using a mixture of water and chemicals. The pulp is then cleaned to remove any remaining ink or impurities. It is done by passing the pulp through a series of screens and filters. Once the pulp is clean, it is mixed with water and additive, such as starch or clay, to improve its strength and qualities. The mixture is then spread onto a mesh screen and splashed to remove excess water. The resulting sheets of paper is then dried and rolled into a finished product. Overall, the process of recycling paper is a relatively simple and efficient one. It involves several stages, each of which plays a vital role in producing a high-quality recycled paper product. This sample assignment here is bang 8. Band 8. Alright. You can reference to this assignment or my assignment too. Okay, and this is the end of the video. Thank you for listening.